Hello, this is Komsawi Huang. My ID is 225587094, and this is past tags for week 6. The tag is about polymorphism. Okay, so what is polymorphism? Polymorphism basically is it basically means many forms, right? So specifically in this text, we're gonna overriding functions, and so we have functions with many forms of use cases. Okay, for duck, so polymorphism always goes with inheritance. Okay, so now bird. We have a base class bird, we have fly, virtual fly method, and a write toString method. And notice that the toString have override instead of virtual. This is because the toString is like a built-in function of the object itself. So basically we are not creating it. This is already built in, so we have to override it. Yeah, so we customize to return then this attribute. Alright, so duck will inherit it, and okay, here's the new one, the getter and setter. This is a really quick way to declare it. And to access it, we just wanna need to do the get and the attribute name like that. Yeah, that is fine. There's a way to access the getter and setter. This is just a quick way to declare it. Alright, so initialize two new variable, two new attributes, and inherit the name attribute. It's the same for the penguin. The penguin gonna override the fly method, and the both duck and penguin will override the toString too. Okay, so testing. Okay, right here we initialize the base bird class within Trinity. So we right line and put the name of it. It will call the toString method with ours, and we don't need to like call it like this. It will automatically call the toString. It will just put the name like this. Yeah, so it's just the name of it, which is Trinity. For fly, it calls the fly right here. Trinity is flying. Yeah. The penguin. We have two penguin. Each method work well. Penguin cannot fly. It calls the fly function here in the penguin class. For the duck is the same, right? For the duck is the same, but there's no fly method in duck, so it used the base method in the fly here in the bird class. Okay? That's it. The remaining is just testing. Just testing. Bird eagle, duck, penguin, duck. The rest is testing, so I would skip that, and I will move to the question. Okay, so we learned something new about polymorphism right here. We have this abstract keyword. So what is abstract, and why is this method right here doesn't have any code in it, right? Because normally we need code in it, right? But there's nothing in here. Why? So for abstract, basically means it's just a blueprint. So this animal class with abstract keyword, this is just a blueprint for every animal that and every class that like extended abstract class, we have to follow the specific group, which is it must contain this method, right? So as you can see right here, every class, like we have a cat right here, it had greeting. The dog, which is that animal, also have greeting. Oh, and here's the another greeting, but it has parameter in here, so it's different from this greeting, right? So print other thing. Okay, so the big dog one. The big dog is a child of the dog. It also and a dog inherits from animal, which means the big dog also follow the rules of animal, right? So it must have the greeting right here. And another thing is that we have a new keywords, which is the new right here, the new, right? So basically, when we initialize an object with the dog type, it will if we use greeting, it will print out this. But if we initialize an object with the big dog type, then we gonna get this one. For example, we have sample up here. Oh yeah, wait, yeah, big dog. So this big dog dot greeting here will execute this one. Right, if we're greeting, so male wolf, ooh, right? But for parameter, it's different. Dog, animal 2. Now, dog 2 dot greeting dog 3. It will execute this one right here, right? Another dog is reading another dog, so it will print out wolf because the base class of this is the dog. So for big dog, for big dog 2 greeting, if a big dog greeting a dog, it will print out wolf. It will use this one. But if it greeting another big dog, we call out the whoa right here. Alright? I mean, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.